Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to write the letters. Let's see if you can help me. What letter is this? Is it R? No. Ooh, is it B? Yes, give me a thumbs up. Good. What sound does B make? B. B. Good job. Now let's see. What letter is this? Did you say G? High five if you did. G. Do you know what G says? G. Yes, it says G. If you said J, it also says J. Nice work. What letter do you see here? Ooh, it's N. Good job. Does N say N or N? What does it say? Right. Good job. What letter is this? P. Do you know what sound P makes? Did you say P? If you said P, good job. So today we are going to learn how to write B, B, G, G, N, N, and P, P. Good job. Now, Miss Audrey has a question for you. Which letters are short letters? Did you say N for short letters? Good job. Now, which letters are tall letters? That means they start at the sky, remember? Right. B. Is G a tall letter? Does it start at the top? No. G's a long letter. G and P are long letters. Good. Now, it's time to jump over and we are going to practice our handwriting. So, let's get our handwriting sheet and our marker or pencil. Now remember, good writers sit up tall, have their paper in front of them, and do their best effort and full attention. So this letter is what? B. Good job. Now to make a B, we're going to do a tall line down, up, and hook around. B. B. Remember, start at the sky, go down to the ground, tall line down, up, hook around. B. B. Let's make 5 of those. Tall line down, up, hook around. Tall line down, up, hook around. B. Remember to say the saying. Tall line down, up, hook around. B. If you need more time, hit pause and finish writing your B's. Okay, good job with your B's. Now we are going to write which letter? Right, G. G says what? G. Good. Look how we make G. We're going to do curly C, up, long line down, hook. G. Let's do that again. Curly C, up, long line down, hook. Nice work. Now remember, if your brain needs some help, we can make 2 dots, one at the middle line and one at the ground. We're going to make a nice curly C and then up, down, hook. Curly C, hook line. Curly C, hook line. You have your G's made? Very good effort. Good job, friends. Now, what letter is this? Right, N. So N, we're going to start at the middle line. We're going to do short line down, up, and rainbow. N. What sound does the N make? Good job. So watch Miss Audrey. We're going to start that little line. We're going to do short line down, right back up, and rainbow. N. Short line down, up, and rainbow. N. Remember, tell your brain what to do and say the sayings. Short line down, up, and rainbow. If you need a help, make a dot. Go short line down, up, and rainbow. And nice work, friends. Now, what letter is this? You're right, P. So remember, to make a P, we're going to do long line down, up, hook around, long line down, hook around. Now remember, the hook around is going to go to the right. So we're going to do long line down, we're going to go to the right and hook around away from the other P's. Oops, Miss Audrey got distracted. Let's erase that. We're going to do long line down, and we're going to go up, and we're going to hook around away from the written letters. Long line down, up, hook around. Long line down, up, hook around, P. Now, you finish your P's. Good job, friends. Now today, we are going to talk about the O sound. Can my friends say O? Good. Look at my mouth. O. Good job. Now, let's look at our worksheet again. Here are the common spellings for O. We have O, O, O-A, O, O-E, O, O-W-O, O-E-O. Okay, so now we're going to write it and say O. O, O. You see these two letters make O? O, O, O. Very good. Now, friends, we are going to stop here. And the next lesson, we're going to read some O words. Are you ready? I'll see you then. Okay, friends, now we have our word worksheet, and we're going to read some O words. Remember, can you practice that O sound with Miss Audrey again? O. Very good. Now, first, like every good learner, we're going to read the directions. It says, read the word, mark the long O spelling, write the word while saying each sound. Match to the correct picture. Now, Miss Audrey is going to have you read the word and match to the correct picture. Okay, you try this word. Good. Now, let's read it together. Ready? What's this first sound? Ooh, did you say aw? That's a good guess. Now let's try O. O. Now what's this sound? Oh, good job. Now let's put O and O together. O. O. What's this sound? D. Old. Very good. Now, which letters make the O sound? Can you point? Did you point to the O? Good job. Put a dot under the O for old. Now let's write it and say the sounds. What's the first sound? Good job. O. Remember to say the sound. What's the next sound in old? O. Good. And what's the last sound? D. Good. Old. Do you know what old means? Old is something that's been around. Old means something that's been around for a long time. So maybe like an old book or an old person. They're like, probably shouldn't do it. Now, let's look at the picture. Do you see old? Yeah, our grandparents are old. Let's make a line. Hold all the way down. Good job. Now, let's read our next word. Can you try? Did you get the word? Let's see. What's the first sound? S. Good job. Now, what's my next sound in this word? Not O-A. What does the O-A say? Oh, good. Can you put the S and O together. So, and then add the sound. What's my word? Soap. Good job. Did you get it? Nice work. Now, Miss Audrey has a question. What letter or letters make the O sound? You think the O? Let's see. S-O-ap. So-ap? Is so-ap the same as soap? No. Oh, yes, right. The O-A says O. Soap. Now let's write it. What's the first sound? S. Good. What's my next sound? O. What's my last sound? And what's my word? Soap. Good job. Do you see the soap? Right. It's down at the bottom. What do we do? What do we do with the soap? Right. We wash our hands with the soap. Very good. Let's read our next word. You try. Okay, let's read our word. What's this sound? Good. Now what's this sound? Oh, nice work. You got it. Can you put and O together? Did you say row? Say it with Miss Audrey. Row. And what's this sound? P. Good. Now let's put row and P together. Rope. Rope. Nice work. Now, Miss Audrey wonders what makes up O and rope. Whoa, you're right. The O-E. Rope. Okay, now we're going to write our sounds. Ready? What's the first sound? Good job. What's my next sound? O. What's my last sound? Good. And don't forget this. Nice work. Where's the rope? Very good. I tie a knot in the rope. Very good, friends. We're almost done. Let's keep working. What's my next word? Did you try? Good job. Let's read the sounds. What's the first sound? Good. What's the next sound? Good. Did you say bowl? Let's practice that. Bowl. What's this last sound? Good. What's my word? Blow. Good. Remember, not oh, oh, blow. Good job. What's the spelling? O spelling in blow. Oh, the O? Is it blow? Right, the O-W. Now let's write it. What's my first sound? Good job. Boo. What's my next sound? Oh, remember to start at this top. What's my last sound? Oh, good job. Oh, blow. Do you see blow? Yeah, she can blow. Good job. Let's read this next word. It's your turn. Do your best. What's this sound? T. Good. What's this sound? Is that ah or o? Oh, good. T. O. Can you put it together? Toe. What's this sound? Ooh, it could say s, but try z. Toes. What's my word? Toes. Very good. What's the O spelling in toes? The O-E. Good job. Now, are you ready? Let's write toes. What's my first sound? T. What's my next sound? Is it ah or o? Right, o. What's my last sound? Toes. Remember, it's z, but it's this spelling. Toes. Where are the toes? Do you see the toes? How many toes do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you count 5 toes? Good job, friends. Okay, let's do our next word. Cold. Oh, okay, let's do our next word. Can you read this word? Let's do it together. What's this sound? K. Good. What's this sound? Could say aw, but try o. Cold. What's this sound? Cold. 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 Like, brr, it's cold outside. Do you see the cold? Very good. Draw a line. Now Miss Audrey has a question. What's the letter or letters that make O in cold? The O. Good job. Okay, friends, are you ready to write the sounds? What's the first sound? K. Good. Now don't say k. K. What's my next sound? O. What's my next sound? Right. O. What's my last sound? D. Cold. Good job, friends. So we read the words old. I have an old book. Soap. I wash my hands with soap. Rope. I like to jump rope. Blow. I can blow a bubble. Toes. I have 10 toes. And cold. Brr, it's cold. Good job, friends. Now, the next lesson is we're going to write some sentences. And remember to pay attention to those letters and see which letters are tall letters, short letters, and long letters so that your writing is easy to read. So let's grab that worksheet. Okay, friends, so our last part of our assignment is to read the sentence and write it. We're going to remember to put a capital letter and a period and spaces between our words. Are you ready? Okay, let's get started. So let's first read the sentence. Can you read it first? Okay, good job. Now let's listen. Joan and Joe both have bows. Now we're going to mark the long O sounds. What says O? Right, the OA in Joan. What else says O? The OW in bows. What else says O? Let's listen. Joan and Joe both have bows. Right, both. And what letter makes the O in both? The O. One more. Can you find it? Did you mark the OE in Joe? Very good. Let's read that sentence one more time. Joan and Joe both have bows. Good job. Now we're going to write. Ready? Joan, we're going to start the sky, go down, tall line down, and hook. We're going to start in the middle with the O. We're going to do curly C and close. Joan. And try to make those letters sit on their bottoms. Go all the way to the sky and all the way to the ground. And Joe. Remember to jump after each word. Both. Have. Bows. Good job. Now, let's look at the next one. Can you read it? Good. Now let's read it together. The toad goes slow. Down. Wait a minute. Down. Oh yeah, OW can say ow. Ow. Okay. down the road. I got it. The toad goes slow down the road. What makes the O sound? Right, the O-W in slow. What else? You mark them? The O-A in toad. And the O-A in road. Good. Okay, there's one more. Right, the O-E in goats. Good job. Now, let's write that. Remember, best handwriting. Remember, curly C, up, short line down. D. Down. Remember to start the T from the top. And a period. Good job. I like how you use spaces. Okay, now we're going to check your work before mom or your teacher checks your work. So let's check. Do you have a capital letter at the beginning of this sentence? Capital letter, capital letter. Check. Now, do I have a punctuation mark at the end of each sentence? Punctuation mark, punctuation mark. What's this punctuation mark called? Question mark or period? Yeah, period. Good job. Yes. Started letters in the right place. Yes. And did my best work. Yes. Very good. Good job with your writing. Remember those O spellings that we have that can help us spell our words more accurately. I will see you tomorrow to learn some more O words and to practice your handwriting. Remember to give your full attention and best effort anytime you do work. See you next time, friends. Bye.